Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you about the best heroes in Last Z Survival. Alright, let's begin. The strongest hero lineup in Last Z Survival is based on the Wings of Dawn faction. Top players consistently use the same setup, which proves how effective it is. The core S-Class heroes are Laura, Scarlet, Alma, and Amelia. Alma becomes available in Season 2, but once unlocked, she greatly boosts team strength. High-level players also invest heavily in upgrading hero equipment to increase overall power. Scarlet is one of the key heroes in this lineup. Her third skill increases shooter attack and defense by 10%, while her final skill boosts troop attack and defense by 5% for each Wings of Dawn hero deployed. With 5 heroes, troop capacity increases by 10%. Alma focuses on increasing shooter health and damage, with bonuses that activate only when 5 Wings of Dawn heroes are deployed. If S-Class heroes are unavailable, Fiona is the best A-Class option for Wings of Dawn, providing additional attack bonuses. Using 5 heroes from the same faction grants a 15% attack bonus. Wings of Dawn also counters Blood Rose, giving an extra advantage in most battles. So that's basically all about the best heroes in Last Z Survival. That's it for this video. Thanks.